Hey, I'm Steve, and this is the Xbox Elite wireless controller. This is the Elite 2 core. It's white, and this is an unboxing. I will say the packaging is excellent, and this is what you will see when you take the top box cover off. Let me give you a close-up of this controller, so if you're interested in it, you will see exactly what this controller looks like. I like the grips right here. They're kind of rubbery, feel good in your hand. I like those. The joysticks feel good. Just really feels good in your hand for sure. The rest of the contents of the box will contain your normal stuff. Charging cord. And of course here is some paperwork. I'm not going to open that right now because this is going to be a gift. But yeah, this is a really nice Xbox controller. So if you're looking at this, I hope you found this video helpful.